Are you looking for ways to make reading more exciting for your little ones? Stay tuned for some fun and engaging activities that will keep them coming back for more. Hey there parents, it's Jessica, here to embark on a tremendous journey into the whimsical world of the Lorax by Dr. Seuss. Get ready to go green and dive into some eco-friendly activities and crafts that will have your little ones seeing the world through Truffula colored glasses. But before we hop on board the Onceler's wagon, I want to make sure that I mention that you can grab my Storytime Fun Pack for free in the description below. It's a great resource for parents who want to do fun book-related activities with their kids. Now, let's take a quick peek into the colorful world of the Lorax by Dr. Seuss. In this beloved tale, a curious young boy named Ted sets out to discover the story of the Lorax, a grumpy yet wise creature who speaks for the trees. Through whimsical rhymes and vibrant illustrations, Dr. Seuss delivers a powerful message about the importance of environmental conservation and for standing up for what you believe in. Let's kick off our eco-friendly adventure with a snack that's sweet, Truffula tree pretzel sticks. Transform ordinary pretzel rods into Truffula trees by dipping them in colorful candy melts and adding fluffy cotton candy or sprinkles on top. These tasty treats are sure to have your little Loraxes singing with joy. Now let's get crafty and craft some Truffula trees of our very own. Gather some colorful paper or pom-poms, pipe cleaners, or craft sticks, and let your creativity bloom as you and your little ones create your very own Truffula trees. You can also create it into a whimsical landscape using construction paper and glue the Truffula trees in place. Your imagination is the limit, so let it grow like the tallest Truffula trees in the forest. Now, if you're feeling a bit theatrical, let's bring the Lorax to life with a Lorax Puppet. Cut out the shapes to the Lorax's body, mustache, and arms from orange and yellow felt or construction paper. Assemble and glue the pieces together, adding googly eyes for effect. Attach the Lorax to a craft stick and create a puppet that will have your little ones putting on their very own eco-friendly puppet show in no time. Now let's put on our scientist hats and embark on a Lorax-themed science experiment. Plant seeds in clear plastic cups so your little ones can observe the growth process up close and personal. You can also encourage them to decorate the cups with Lorax-themed drawings, and then you can monitor the growth of your plants over time. It's a hands-on way to teach your kids about the importance of trees and environmental stewardship, just like the Lorax himself. And now let's go on a Lorax-themed scavenger hunt. Hide items like Truffula tree cutouts, the Lorax figure, and an unless sign around your home, and use environmentally themed clues to guide your little ones on their eco-friendly quest. It's a fun-filled adventure that will have them thinking green and standing up for the trees in no time. Here are a few examples of environmentally themed clues. To prompt your kids to find the Truffula tree cutouts, you could say, in a world where nature's beauty sings and sways, find where Truffula trees brighten your days. And the Truffula tree cutouts could be hidden in or near a plant that's in your home. Here's a clue for the humming fish. In a world of rivers, lakes, and streams so wide, find where humming fish swim with pride. And then the humming fish could be hidden in a bathroom or near a fish tank. Scavenger hunts are a great way to keep kids engaged and to develop their problem-solving skills. Oh, and don't forget, if you love the idea of doing fun book-related activities with your kids, be sure to grab my Storytime Fun Pack for free in the description below. With these eco-tastic activities and crafts, reading the Lorax becomes an unforgettable experience. Happy reading and enjoy your adventures with the Lorax.